That tactile feedback response, it's almost subliminal. It's hard to put your finger on it. It's difficult to say to somebody, look, this is important. Most people will look at you as if you're mad. A mechanical keyboard that's 5 years old will feel the same as a brand new one, which is critical if you're touch typing, because it's a relationship between what your fingers feel and what your brain thinks, and your ears are hearing it, and that's one of the real beauties is the feedback that you get. I would say on the whole with a mechanical you should become a little bit more of a glider rather than a thumper, and over the years your typing speeds could increase. Mechanical keyboards are expensive, but over the lifetime of the keyboard you should get much better value for money because they really don't break. Early on, actually, writers were a large presence in the community, let's say, because they spend so much time typing, and it's just as important as for gaming. If you type for 8-10 hours a day, you will notice the difference. We truly believe that the way it works, there's less impact. It should help you to avoid RSI and joint problems. It just feels so much nicer, and it's a difficult thing to describe exactly, but the sensations, the positive feel, the light touch. One of the points when I realised the importance of mechanicals was when Terry Pratchett, God rest his soul, phoned up and ordered 2 of the Fujitsu keyboard, and he said, "Yep, I love these things. I didn't realise he'd had one before." And he said, "And I'm not going to risk running out, so I'll have a spare as well, please." Different users will have different feel for their keyboard, and depending on the jobs that they do. I've got a couple here, a blue one, which is really clicky. You probably won't hear that at the moment, but there's a nice click and a strong tactile feel to that. So for typing, that's lovely because your fingers tell your brain and your ears tell your brain that you've made the press. Now this is a red switch MX, and that's linear, so it's completely smooth. You don't feel anything till it hits the bottom. But these are really popular with gamers who tend to just bash at them. But everyone has their own preferences. Lots of third-party manufacturers can provide you with key tops to fit on there, so you can get all different colours. You can have different things printed up. Some people are making titanium keycaps, so you can customise your keyboard, which in this boring, colourless corporate world that we seem to end up in, to have a keyboard that really feels like yours on the desk, I think it's important. It makes people smile when they come to work.